Are you interested in developing a telehealth, or as many call a doctor-on-demand mobile app? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you through the most important features to include and the challenges you might face. Plus, we'll provide you with a cost overview to help you plan your budget. So, let's dive in and get started. The pandemic shifted our lifestyle and increased demand for telemedicine, with doctor-on-demand apps rising in popularity. Grand View Research forecasts that telemedicine market will reach $559.52 billion by 2027, driven by convenience, cost-effectiveness, and healthcare accessibility. This presents a chance for healthcare providers and entrepreneurs to develop such apps. Let's talk about how doctor-on-demand apps actually work. These apps are a game changer for healthcare because they connect patients with healthcare professionals right from their smartphones. They can easily book appointments, receive consultations, and even order prescription meds with just a few taps on your screen. The best part? Patients don't have to deal with crowded waiting rooms or travel time to see a doctor. Plus, these apps offer access to a wide range of healthcare professionals, including general practitioners, specialists, and mental health professionals. It's like having a personal doctor in your pocket. The success of a doctor-on-demand app depends on its features. Here are the top 5 must-have features for a doctor-on-demand app. Easy appointment scheduling. Patients should be able to book appointments with doctors and other healthcare professionals easily and quickly. Video consultations. The app should allow patients to have video consultations with doctors and other healthcare professionals. Secure messaging. Patients should be able to communicate with healthcare professionals securely through the app, as doctor-patient confidentiality is a fundamental ethical principle. Prescription orders. Patients should be able to order prescription medications through the app, and healthcare professionals should be able to approve and send them to a pharmacy. Electronic health records. The app should allow patients to view their medical history, test results, and other relevant information. Developing a doctor-on-demand app can be a challenging task, but with the right approach it can be made easier. Here are 5 tips that you should keep in mind while developing a doctor-on-demand app. Firstly, make sure to conduct a thorough research about the market, competition, and target audience before developing the app. This will help you understand the needs and preferences of your target audience and define the app's features and functionality. The discovery phase also helps to ensure that the app is unique and stands out in the market. Secondly, focus on creating an excellent user experience for both patients and healthcare professionals. Your app should be easy to use, intuitive, and provide a seamless experience for all users. Start with MVP to save cost. An MVP, or minimum viable product, is a simplified version of your doctor-on-demand app that includes only the essential features. Starting with MVP allows you to test the market and gather your feedback without investing a lot of money in app development. Once you have feedback, you can then prioritize the features and functionalities that users want and build them in the next version. Now let's talk about how much it costs to build a doctor-on-demand MVP. So, it usually takes 2-3 months to create an MVP. Your idea will go through different stages, like figuring out what features you need with the help of discovery phase, designing how it will look, and actually building it. To do all this, you will need a team of people like a part-time business analyst, a full-time designer, a part-time solution architect, 2 full-time middle developers, a part-time project manager, and a part-time QA engineer. The approximate cost to build a doctor-on-demand MVP would range from $70,000 to $100,000. Thirdly, ensure that your app is secure and complies with relevant regulations such as HIPAA. Patients' privacy and data security should be a top priority. Then it's essential to regularly test and refine your app based on feedback. This will help you improve your app's functionality and user experience continually. And finally, choose the right development model. If you're planning to develop a doctor-on-demand app, one crucial decision to make is selecting the right hiring model for the development process. You can choose from different models such as in-house development, outsourcing, and IT outstaffing, depending on your specific needs and budget. With in-house development, you have complete control over the development process, but it can be quite expensive. On the other hand, outsourcing development to a third-party company can reduce costs, but the quality of the app might be compromised if the team is not selected properly. IT outstaffing offers several advantages over in-house hiring. It's a cost-effective and flexible solution, providing access to a team of skilled professionals who can work on your project remotely. This model can help you reduce costs while ensuring quality results, such as cost savings, flexibility, access to a large pool of talent, and lower risks. With IT outstaffing, you can hire skilled professionals from all over the world and get quality work done at lower cost. Finding the right team to develop your doctor-on-demand app can be a daunting task. Voypost Talent Pool is a special tool that can help you find and hire top telehealth app developers. The platform has a vast pool of talent that includes skilled developers, designers, project managers, and QA engineers. Voypost Talent Pool offers a cost-effective and reliable solution for finding and hiring the best talent in the market. In conclusion, developing a doctor-on-demand app is a complex task that requires a team of experienced professionals. It's crucial to choose a team that has a deep understanding of the healthcare industry and the unique challenges of developing a telehealth app. Voypost is an IT outstaffing company that has extensive experience in developing telehealth and doctor-on-demand apps. Our team of skilled professionals can help you build a high-quality app that meets the needs of your users and healthcare professionals. With our expertise, you can rest assured that your app development project is in good hands. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this in the future. See ya!